This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Brand new exterior paint sets the stage for this lovely 2-bedroom / 1-bathroom Craftsman in one of Blaine's most sought-after core neighborhoods, Salishan. Fantastic corner lot with loads of space for gardening, entertaining and RV parking. Carport plus detached garage with exciting potential for future auto development. Low-maintenance laminate flooring and no interior steps results in easy living while still maintaining the home's original charm. Generous storage options in laundry / mud room plus separate canning / pantry area. Downtown Blaine is booming and this is your chance to be walking distance to the schools, waterfront, shopping and dining and just minutes from I-5 and US/Canada border access. For more information, review the details below or